Well, hello active traders, this is Ken Calhoun from TradeMastery.com. We want to do a daily recap of some of the plays that we had in motion for our traders at www.tradingtheopen.com. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the charts that our members were able to benefit from in today's markets. The best one of the bunch is MBOT. Let's take a look at that. Okay, here we go. Here's our charts. Here's the stock market today. Went a little something like this. And we gapped down and then a recovery back to the upside. But look at this chart, MBOT. This is one that our members were alerted about way back here, and it ran all the way from 5 to 10. So it doubled in a single day on especially high volume. That's the pick of the day. We also had others. One of my traders had mentioned, and thanks Charles, or NBEV. Ran up nicely. Canopy Growth is one that was on the radar too, and it did a nice breakout. The pot stocks are smoking higher. They're getting high. So anyway, CGC is up, and InBev, Bed Bath & Beyond also had a minor gain after yesterday's big run. GCI was another good one. Roku also ran. A couple that didn't move too much was PCG, a gap down that went sideways. And SAEX really fell off a cliff into the close, right? But that's one of the best charts I've seen in my life as an active pro in the day trading industry. You can see here it went up 117% today. In the wide world of ETFs and ETNs, natural gas has been getting really good. I sold earlier. I had some overnight, and I sold the first sign of a pullback. Didn't re-enter, should have, right? Well, we'll see if it continues on up. UGAZ is one, and UNG the other way to play it. Similar chart pattern. Give that one a minute to pull up. TQQQ is the way to play the stock market long. Didn't do a whole heck of a lot. TVIX, I did trade it into the close off the bottom here, so that's good. I'd held it overnight. Had 100 shares that I bought near 49.40, and I sold it here into the gap up, and then we can see it sold back down, trying to recover into the close. So that's another hot play. So that's a favorite. DGAZ, also kind of the opposite of UGAZ, and that's a really good breakout pattern. So anyway, that's our picks for today. But MBOT, what a chart. You'll notice too, one thing that I like to cover for the traders is all the different thumbnail charts, as well as a close-up look of the S&P and a nice big tape here for a good professional tape reading approach, so we can see actual transactions as they're going off in real time. Or here, as I'm recording this aftermarket, it's around 5 o'clock East Coast time here. We've got order flow continuing on in extended hours. But anyway, I hope that you were here. You could have done extremely well if you traded MBOT. It's all about the two V's of volume and volatility, because you and I both know that when this hits scale, when you're looking at trades successfully, you really have to identify charts that have big ranges, high volume, and outstanding volatility to capitalize on. So that's what we specialize in at tradingtheopen.com. So anyway, with that, let me say goodbye for today. I'll try and post these recap videos frequently because we've got so many great charts to focus on. Your goal and my goal is to make bigger winning trades more often, and the way we do that is capitalize on the strongest charts with the best price action. So take care and best wishes for success. See you guys next time. Bye for now. Trade smart out there. Make lots of money.